Hey there! This tutorial will guide you through navigating the UPSKILLS website and accessing the resources that we have created to enhance your teaching. Let's get started. To start off, let's explore what's on the UPSKILLS website. Besides general information about the project, our consortium, and a recap of our events, being multiplier events and training events, the site is brimming with guides, learning and teaching materials, student project showcases, and games. All these resources are available under a Creative Commons license, meaning they are free for you to use and adapt to suit your teaching style and your students' learning goals. To access these learning resources and guides, head to the Deliverables tab. Here you'll find everything neatly organized into 4 categories, aligned with the project's intellectual outputs. You can also download all the deliverable reports from our Zenodo UPSKILLS community. First up, the Needs Analysis section. Here you'll find reports on the work that led to describing the UPSKILLS professional profile for linguistics and language graduates in the 21st century. Encourage your students to explore the roles we have identified in our needs analysis by taking the fun quiz we've developed to help them discover the best fit role for them. You can check it out by following the link on screen and in the video description. Next, to help you integrate ongoing research into teaching, we have developed guidelines for weaving research-based teaching, research infrastructures, and industry-based research into your courses. The guidelines can be browsed directly on the website or downloaded in a PDF format. For example, take a look at the research-based teaching guidelines, which comprise a number of resources, including a course design template with examples of learning outcomes and a collection of courses we developed and piloted in our own programs. While the research-based guidelines focus on course design and best practices in research-based teaching, our practical research infrastructure guide shows how teachers and lecturers can leverage the Clarion research infrastructure to help students enhance their data collection, processing and analysis, and archiving skills. These guidelines include a research tracking tool as well as a list of open corpora, which is freely accessible in the No Sketch Engine Concordancer made available by the Slovenian Clarion infrastructure. Next, in the Integrating Industry-Based Research into Teaching section, we share our experience with implementing industry-based research projects into teaching and discuss challenges and opportunities for both academia and industry. While it often takes a lot of effort to supervise student projects set up in collaboration with commercial companies, it is a rewarding experience for students because they are able to put their knowledge into practice and collaborate with experts in a real-world work setting. Ready for some rich learning content? Go to the Learning Content section to browse and/or download our learning materials that you can further adapt for your own curricula. Different blocks or individual units within a block can be combined to create new learning paths at the BA and MA levels. Some of the learning content is also suitable for the PhD level. Select a course, browse it on Moodle, or download the contents and import them into another Moodle system for further adaptation and reuse. Let's take a quick look at the Moodle platform. To access it, you first need to create an account on Moodle. Once you are on Moodle, you need to enroll in a learning blog by clicking a single button. Now, you're ready to browse the content. The first tile of each block provides instructions on how to reuse the content, while the last one contains the zip file with the contents of the respective block and the preferred citation format. All zip files can be imported in another Moodle system 3.8+. Lastly, you'll discover a collection of educational games we developed as part of the project, which can be used in conjunction with our learning content. Games can be integrated in the curricula as a tool to enhance student engagement, promote critical thinking, and improve the overall learning outcomes. We invite you to play around with these games, but don't forget to also check out the list of existing digital games that were surveyed by the consortium and which can also be used to upskill your courses. And don't miss out on our dedicated guidelines for integrating game-based learning into higher education curricula. And there you have it, a complete guide to navigating the UPSKILLS website. We've covered everything from needs analysis to research-based teaching, learning content, and even educational games. So, go ahead, explore the resources, get inspired, and enhance your teaching journey with UPSKILLS. Thanks for tuning in, and happy teaching!